Welcome back everyone. Today we are talking simple empty bottles and transforming them into bright colorful decorations for your home. And ideas. We give you ideas by images instead of throwing bottles away, and also we gives you a tips. So instead of throwing bottles away, we will recycle them into recreate and creative vases, designs, lamps, and centerpiece. And here's the twist: we will use beans, beads, and vibrant colors to make each bottle stand out. These crafts are fun, affordable, and they bring too much life to your living room, bedroom room, or even dining table. Let's get started. First, prepare your bottles, soak them in warm soapy water for 10 minutes to loosen the labels, remove all stickers and glue. Once clean, dry them. When you can use glass bottles, plastic bottles, or even old jars. Clear bottles works best, or colorful designs, because the colors inside our bottles really shine through. Now let's add colors. Use acrylic paint or spray paint to cover the bottle in your favorite bright shades: turquoise, orange, yellow, pink, or green. For a smoother look, apply two thin coats instead of the thick coat. When dry, you can use a smaller brush to paint fun designs like doors, strips, or zigzag. Think of these as statement pieces or home for your home, so don't be shy with bold colors. Here's next tip where things get really creative. Take different colorful beans or pulses. Now we talk about beans decoration, like red kidney beans, green mung beans, yellow lentils, or black beans. Apply glue in patterns, then carefully stick the beans one by one. You can create flowers, mandalas, or even geometric borders. If you have clear bottles, another option is to fill them layer by layer with beans of different colors. Imagine a stripped sand artifacts. But with beans, it looks beautiful on shelves or kitchen country counters. These not only recycles but also adds a natural organic charm. Now let's take it up a notch. Use beads, pearls, or sequins that highlight your designs. Stick them around the neck of the bottle, along the base, or in between the beans patterns. But if you want an elegant touch, wrap a piece of ribbon or lace near the top. You can even add buttons or old jewelry pieces for our sparkling effects. The contrast of beads with bright paint and beans create a vibrant, eye-catching bottle that works as perfect home decor. So now let's talk about using the bottle in your home. Once your bottles are decorated, it's time to use them. Place fresh or artificial flowers inside to make a vase. Insert fairy lights into transparent bottles to create glowing to create glowing lamps for your bedroom or living room. Line up several colorful bottles on a shelf to make a bright centerpiece. You can even place them by the window where sunlight will make the colors pop. For kitchens, layered beans bottles make unique the decoration. The possibilities are endless. It's all about creativity and play. And there you have it, a full set of colorful bottles. Craft ideas using paint, beans, and beads. We painted with bold colors, decorated with beans in patterns or layers, and added beads and ribbons for sparkle. Finally, we learned how to use these bottles in your home. as well as lamps or decorative pieces. These crafts are simple to make but bring so much energy and brightness into your space. So go ahead, grab those old bottles, bring out your colors and let your imagination flow. Remember, recycling can be fun and full of life. Thank you for watching, and I will see you with more creative ideas soon. So, thank you for watching. Leave your comment in the